My full name, Rebecca Williams, Rebecca's here, I'm Rebecca.
Yes.
Okay. Welcome everyone, it is brilliant to be back here again at the finish after what was a fantastic rally here at the Shell Helix Rally Estonia. You have a global audience watching you right now all around the world. They've been watching the stages this weekend and they have absolutely loved it. So give yourselves a cheer because you've been awesome this weekend.
In a few moments we will start with the awarding ceremony, which will be, I think it will be absolutely amazing. I can't see an empty space over to the town hall.
We want to hear you! And taking second position overall. Let's hear it for Andreas Mikkelsen Now let's hear your voices, everyone! Onto the stage, your Estonian heroes, Ortanek!
In third place, representing Citroën Total World Rally Team, Esa-Pekka Lappi and Janne Firm.
The world champion and Shell Business Manager Europe, Samuel Redondo.
In second place, representing Hyundai Shell Mobis World Rally Team, Andreas